short little video on the boat. The 4.3 LX V6 Alpha 1. I deleted this old style fuel filter and I put new fuel line in. And if I can get down there and see it, there's the new Sierra screw-on fuel filter, fuel separator, and then another new fuel line going up. So that's the latest, and we did a test ride yesterday and she ran a lot better. Now that we've got nice new fuel filter, fuel lines. I was getting some chunks from the old fuel line. They were starting to disintegrate, so this is much better. So this may take a little while to start because I just changed out the fuel line and the fuel filter. So we'll see how she goes.